and you answer me and tell me say yes. Because like how you know me, you're not going to own it.
Me tell her that?
You did Ackeen, you did.
Evening, people, pick up on yourself. So I try, a young lady I tell some people life for me. Now she really I do the video about, but she tell me something I'm new to, you know. But
I'm not. We're going to do a get to know me video, and it's also going to be on both channels. Your channel and my channel, Ackeen. Can you put the camera on me for?
No, can I see her bunks like so.
The phone is that good.
I tell me about how more licking at my head earlier, you know. So before we go no further.
Yeah.
Come. What was one of the most popular movies you took part in?
I think it was Where is Honey?
Where is Honey?
Yeah.
Who were you in Where is Honey?
A villain.
Yeah, but like where did I do?
I stole the baby.
Oh, are you thief the baby? My blood's not scared. I'm not even the member.
I'm my sister.
Christasha. Christasha is the name, right?
Yes.
Christasha. So come now, Christasha.
I'm sorry.
What I get from her persona so far? She seem reserved and quiet like she can't wash hands.
We all know that. I'm a nice person.
Don't make the looks them fool. So, Christasha, which part I come from?
Actually, I'm from Burn Savannah, but we don't even know.
So,
Nigger.
why are the nigger and not Burn Savannah anymore?
I have a child.
Oh, so relationship care was a nigger?
Yes.
Oh, it hurt neat. So tell me about that. Tell me a little bit about family. Yeah, I don't understand how they always beat me. Could go past another life. I don't understand how them always beat me for do videos in the guys. And when I ask them the question of them, don't want answer.
I sighed. That doesn't mean I didn't answer.
Sigh is not an answer.
I sighed because I was going to answer.
Because you were going to answer?
Yes, I was going to answer. I was going to tell you about my family. I love my family.
Okay, so the reason why I ask her about family, you know, when we speak to the actors, actresses on here, we try to get to know them outside of their characters in the movie, which I think is a very fascinating thing. So, hence the question family, because family kind of can define the personality. Yes, so.
My family?
What is Christasha's family like?
I would say one of the best. For me.
Yeah, that's just total bias. That's
not for
100% bias.
For me it is. My family, my family.
Alright, are the best?
I have the best son.
What's his name?
His name is Chris Swan Brown. He's a 1-year-old child. A male, to be precise. I love that little boy. Because...
So, she's not really telling much about family, so I can move on to the movie question then now. I'm kind of salty in that video, I don't know if I can tell. So, as per usual, how you and Richard them link up?
Oh, me did I watch Friend in Need.
Don't tell me say up on Instagram I link them up to.
No, I take down the number for YouTube.
And you call them?
I text him for WhatsApp. But the thing is, listen to this, I have one dream, you know. It's like me watch the movie and I drop asleep. I may drop asleep before I watch the movie, but I had a dream the same day I text them. Say.
Hold on, pause. You can please look in my eye when I talk?
Okay.
As in look into our eyes.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, as me I said, I did have one dream. My dream said me one movie up on my yard that I Burn Savannah. And somebody.
Hold on. Mind them bunks, Christasha.
But Brad.
Alright.
Somebody took the role that I was supposed to play, and who know me knows I'm grumpy and miserable. So I did get upset and then wake up out of the dream. But I did actually turn one actress in the dream. And then I text them, Richie tell me books them I have interview though. I think it was the Thursday. It was the Thursday and then I come around here. And the same day I come around here, I do the run out of the whole scene. I'm gonna tell my sister. And a friend in need that night there.
Oh. So So the link up have some kind of, what I call it now, some kind of superstition to it because she thought, I'm not superstitious guy, so I sound insensitive about it, sorry. So through the dream thingy.
Yeah, I think it's coincidence or it's God's plan.
You see, because I know you, and I know say it's a troublemaker, and like me I try to bring out a party and it's like it just not work. I know so them all look for you and just feel like I just this little angel. Yo, every time I come here, every time I come here, Christasha have problem with me. Every time I come here, Christasha. You trouble me for no reason at all.
I give every day.
Alright, come, talk the truth, talk the truth, talk the truth.
You say me don't friend. Why? How can you not be my friend?
No, you say you not talk to me.
You said it first.
Me say it first?
You said it first, Ackeen. You did.
So hold on, tell me what happened now. That's me tell us we not talk. Come.
Let me ask you one question.
What? Let me say ask too much question? Where they ask me? What were the questions you were asking?
I asked you about police. Your life.
Can I ask me, where ask me about police?
I just say ever.
Oh, people, she asked me if me ever kill nobody. Like how you ask somebody that question. The worst if alright, anyways.
You were a cop, so I want to know. And then
but I mean, there's a million other questions like why that one. I never feel no way still.
I did want to know like if him do it, why feeling no don't get after, you know, and like if you don't nervous or feel some type of way deep down, like you regret saying it, you know, like that.
I mean, if any sensitive human being takes a life, I'm gonna feel some kind of way, but it kind of different. I'm gonna answer a question. It kind of, you see, because of the training, it is different. There is no way to word it, but when one policeman take a life and he might go about in lawful duty in a field no kind of way and just feel like he might doing job. And like for just say it like that I go sound kind of shallow, but as me say, it's hard because like for explain it kind of hard, but no, they ask me some different question too.
I'm asking about your life and your relationship because you did say you have one girl in the house where you like when nobody never know about and everybody be inquisitive to ask. And never me alone. I'm going to ask this, you not talk, so I'm leave you alone.
Actually, I never have nobody in that place, so I'm like, I just let that figure around.
So why you did I do that?
Because like, why is it important who nobody interested in?
Every girl in the house name, and then let's leave that.
And then what?
And then let's leave that.
And then they come down from here. But the thing is, you know, I never tell nobody who or whoever. Assume when I time then things say me and Biba and things. Like seriously.
Nothing is wrong with Biba. If you know her, you know her. That's just her. That's Biba being her.
Alright.
Then they assume say me. Why
Aren't there guys out there that nothing no wrong with them, but you just couldn't see yourself.
Is that a question?
And so I just said that for say, like I'm not insulting her in any way. She's a beautiful young lady. Yes, nothing is wrong with her. But
Biba,
could I probably kill each other? Yeah. So I think we get some in on your personality a little bit. So tell me now, what do you do for fun?
Actually, I love to act. I read. Candy Crush.
Hold on, you know what I'm saying? People tell me so they read though, like me get irritated.
Why?
Because, like you say, you do it for fun, right? And this is just me, I try to understand how next human being. You read. Alright, before I start assume, what do you read?
I read novels.
See what me I talk about. Alright, what kind of novels you read?
My recent novel was After.
After?
Yeah, there's a movie about it, so guys you can go and watch.
But what's that book about though, After?
It is actually a high schooler, you know, or college student, something like that. And then this girl, and then this nigga.
I'm gonna ask you one question. You get to one point in the book where you come like a poor and you read?
I mean, duh.
That's how me I talk about.
You feel it, you know? You actually feel it like...
Like me have this exact conversation with Natasha yesterday, but you would never get to complete the interview because I try so hard. It's a porn book. Like me expect. I'm probably me wrong and you can't tell me.
As well.
No, it's just that I expect like when people say they read books, like I expect it to be like one autobiography, like one Ben Carson, one Obama. Not. It's a porn book, like.
It's not necessarily porn.
Alright, tell me the most exciting part of those novels.
When you can relate. Worse if you're in a one relationship and I see something happen and you can't relate.
I'm gonna tell you the most exciting part of the book for me.
What?
It's the part that I'm gonna reach where, so when I reach, I have to close the book and take a deep breath and then start read again like, bombard! Seriously? Because then describe in detail so much, especially when you reach to the sex part.
That's what I like. I actually like that part because you get intense and you feel it someplace, you know.
When you see something telling you. Problem. So, there she is, guys, the beautiful Christasha. Yeah, man, she's full of energy, although you see her look like she look kind of small and can't mash hands.
Make me nice.
So, what kind of person would you say you are? Nice?
No.
What?
I'm one of the best persons you could ever meet.
Yo, you think then too exaggerated, Bridget. Like, ask me what kind of person do I think I am. I think I'm a reserved person. I think me eccentric. To some extent, socially awkward. To some extent. Can I not really talk much?
But me not talk the truth. I am speaking the truth.
But the best in the world, Christasha?
No, not really said the best in the world, but what I said one of.
Oh,
One of
okay.
the best persons.
Okay. What makes you one of the best persons in the world?
You can talk to me about anything and be sure that nobody else not gonna hear.
Alright.
I'm helpful.
Helpful?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm a think I put people before me.
I have a problem down here, so. Okay.
Where?
Can I show you?
No.
I don't know. You say helpful, so I don't know if I can fix no problem.
What's the problem actually?
It won't seem to stay over here, so because normally it would I call it flaccid. That's what them call it.
That's not one problem because I would never
Yo, I'm gonna end the video, man. So, yeah, guys, that's Christasha for you. I want you to tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Yes, guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also, run over to my channel. It's Christasha Watkin. You'll have it in the description. Bye.
So, you want this video for your channel and my channel?
Yes.
Alright, no problem.
The video with my hand now.
No problem, make it do?
Peace out. Peace.
So she's full of attitude, you know. Yo, I can do that again. Come, let's say peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.
I love you.
That's funny, I'm learning. Peace out. Peace out. How much time? You want peace out again?
No.
Later, people. We go for the self. Remember, you know, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.